Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. We are on board our brand new 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX Surf. This is one of my favorite boats. So starting back here on the swim platform, one of my favorite features of this boat is actually going to be the flip down swim step. So this will flip down, it'll sit a couple feet below the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really simple. Whether you have small kids with you or you got your furry friends out there on the water with you, makes it easy for them to get up and off the boat as well. Really nice and spacious sun pad right here. And then moving into the cockpit of this boat, you are going to have some subfloor storage. Really nice L-shaped seating configuration here with this gorgeous diamond stitching. Just really ties into the luxury features of this SDX series. This particular model does have the teak table package. And then another one of my favorite parts about the cockpit on SDX is actually going to be your captain and co-captain's chairs. So these will actually flip forward and aft. So once you're at the cove or anchored up, you can move that seat forward, really enhancing your entertainment space, and your co-captain's chair is going to do that as well. Moving to the helm station here, we have your Mercury digital throttle and shift with active trim. You'll have twin 9-inch Simrad displays, as well as a lot of your rocker switches. So on your Simrad displays, that's going to have everything from your chart plotter to your transducer, as well as your surf system. So this being a surf model actually has 2 subfloor hard ballast tanks that'll actually fill up with water, weighing the boat down and creating that surf wave, as well as the manually actuated trim tabs, which will enhance that wave. In here we do have our head compartment, and then moving to your co-captain's side, you do have a Fusion audio system. Now moving into the bow of the boat, you'll see here is you'll have a off-centered walkthrough, which will actually really enhance your view on this windshield. There's no breaks in it, so really gives you a really nice, clean, unobstructed view when you're going down the water. With the teak table package, you also get a table up here, as well as ample seating and storage up here in the bow area. Up front, you will have an anchor locker, as well as a ladder for boarding on the bow of the boat. So if you'd like more information, visit us at marinemax.com or visit us here in Bald Ridge Marina.